Irish state and Catholic Church, mainstream media and the music industry. The very same press which spent decades attacking and vilifying groups. She was not content solely with providing charity. She did, of course, provide so much of that too, donating more than half of her earnings during.
You can't separate the music of Sinead O'Connor from her activism, her early activism as an abortion rights activist, her obviously iconic movements against the abuse within the Catholic Church, and her later support of the Black Lives Matter movement and against transphobia. I mean, as an activist myself and as a woman growing up in Ireland, I completely resonate with her lyrics and her artistry about oppression, and also I'm inspired by her legacy of activism.